Hi everyone, it is the Valentine's Day week, and in honor of that, I am going to make friendship bracelets. So I've already made these two, and they all came from this kit. I got this from Barnes & Noble, so you can try and get it too. It comes with all of these stickers. And they're double-sided. So there's this side, and then there's this side. Here's the other side. We're definitely gonna have some leftover stickers, but today I'm going to make this pink one. Some of them glow in the dark. If you look on the side of this, look which ones glow in the dark. So we have these, which are little clips. This is bendable metal. That's a nice little chain. So I'll teach you how to make these. So let's start with this one. I think I'm going to choose these little dolphins. So what you're going to do, now, these ones don't have the little hole in them. That's what this one is for. So when you got it, put it on this side so that it doesn't get stuck to the table or the surface that you're using. Now we're going to get the other one. So now we're going to stick these two together. So you kind of have to do it perfectly. Well, you don't need to do it perfectly, but you try your best to get the hole in the hole and everything good. If it does not work the first time, these can go apart, but it takes a little bit of time for you to put it apart. The goal is to get the hole lined up, because it doesn't really work if you can't get the hole lined up. So now you're going to take one of these, or if it's a little bit too hard for you, bend it a little bit. So what you're supposed to do, for some people, you leave it the way it is and put it on, but I like to stretch it out and leave it like that until I put it on. So we're going to stretch, and then we're going to take the chain. This is the little chain that we're using. And we keep it open until we don't. So the first piece is in place. And we're going to need to do a whole lot more. And I think I'm going to do a glow-in-the-dark one. One of the glow-in-the-dark ones are these two aliens. This is an alien wearing a flower. Does this look like me? No, it does not. And swoosh. And keep it like that for a little while. The distance between these should be one chain away. There we go. Which one do you think I should do? Two little rainbows. This one's so cute. It has like faces on the rainbow on the clouds. I'm going to do cookies and milk and cookies and cream. If you get it too close with these or too wide with these, you can always adjust it. I'm going to do this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. It's hard to choose between all of these. Fun. So this is how far we gotten, and I'm just gonna put on 3 more, putting on these flamingos. So I really like these, and I'm just going to add one more. I suggest you buy this. This is really fun. It's quite easy, and it's just, these stickers are amazing. It's always leave a little bit of space. This is the one that has the most space. This has a little bit more. This has the most. Pretty cool, right? Thank you everybody for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And always remember, anything's possible. See you guys later, Star Squad.